Hi folks, this is ReptileZblood. We're starting a new series called
Nature Walk.
Yep. First, what this is about is what we do is we walk down what we call our homes and we view all the nature stuff.
Today, we are visiting my house, Chippewa Lake.
First up, we have a dead squirrel, sadly to say. Let's name him Bob. Bye-bye, Bob.
Ooh, I think I hear a bee. We better back off, dude. Let's see. Nothing bad over here.
What we're doing right now is we're looking for a few snakes. You know, see if we might catch a snake and bring him home. I don't see any so far, though.
Let's see.
Still no snakes. Sorry, folks.
We'll keep on walking. Hopefully find something. Whoa. Here we have a deer track.
It would appear to be a deer. We don't know. Looks like it would be a pretty nice size deer if it is one.
Okay, switch.
Okay, see what we do is me and Chase are both the host and both the cameraman.
Yeah, we're multitasking.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Our videos are kind of private usually, but you know, today we decided to go to the public.
Darn it, I thought this was the one that had bees nests in it. Keep your eye out. Here we have a bird. See that bird over there?
I'm trying, Chase. There the bird is. Getting a little blurry, sorry folks. There a bird is.
You have to be here to see how it looks.
It's quite fascinating. Now we'll continue our walk.
But we're not bird catchers, so we're not gonna
try to catch that. We're not masters at birds.
We're masters at reptiles. Later, bug. Here, another bird. Wonderful. Okay, try not to spook it. Whoa, there he goes.
Oh, sorry folks, there was another bird. Oh,
there's one over there, Russell. Over there, by the porch. And there he goes.
Oh, sorry folks. Wish you could be here to see all this.
And that is the end of Nature Walk number 1.
We're ReptileZblood, and we say please tune in next time to watch another.